Namaste, I'm Dr. Hridaya Tilagan, Ayurveda doctor and wellness consultant at WellnessLoka. Welcome to the Wellness Roots, where we explore how Ayurveda offers safe and holistic solutions for today's health challenges. Today, we will be talking about the condition PCOD, that is Polycystic Ovary Disease, one of the most common health concerns affecting women. What is PCOS? PCOS happens where there is an imbalance in female reproductive system. In modern medicine, it represents as irregular periods, ovarian cysts, weight gain, acne, hair fall, excess facial hair, infertility, and sometimes even mood-related issues like anxiety or depression. If left unchecked, the PCOS can also increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and long-term hormonal problems. According to Ayurveda, PCOS affects the Rasa, Rakta, and Medo Dhatu, the tissue responsible for nutrition, blood and fat metabolism. The Arthavavahas Srotas, the channels that governs menstruation and ovulation, also become disturbed, leading to the irregular cycles and reproductive changes. Let me share an example from my practice. A 23-year-old woman came with irregular periods and sudden weight gain. Ultrasound confirmed PCOS on the left ovary. We started our Ayurvedic medicines like Saptasaram Kashayam, Rigadu and Triphala Churnam. Along with, she is advised to avoid junk foods, follow a balanced diet and practice light yoga. Within 2 months, her weight stabilized, her symptoms reduced and her menstrual cycle returned to normal. This shows the power of Ayurveda in managing PCOS naturally. So, how Ayurveda helps? The Ayurvedic approach works at multiple levels. That is correcting acne, that is digestive fire, reducing ama, that is toxins that block metabolism. Herbs like Trikadu improves digestion and metabolism. Ashwagandha balance hormones and reduce stress. Guduji, Gugulu and Kanchanara help reduce insulin resistance, inflammation and restore ovulation. And Triphala detoxifies the system and supports healthy weight. But remember, medicine works best when combined with lifestyle changes. Avoid fried and junk foods, reduce stress, practice yoga and pranayama, and ensure proper sleep routines. PCOS can feel overwhelming, but Ayurveda provides safe, holistic, and sustainable path to recovery. With the right medicines, diet, and lifestyle, many women can regain their cycle, fertility, and overall health. At WellnessLoka, we help women connect with trusted Ayurvedic doctors, personalized treatment plans, and supportive retreats to manage PCOS naturally. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Ayurveda insights. And see you in the next episode of Wellness Roots.